Allah the Almighty, protect me and guide me, oh, to your love and mercy. Ya Allah, don't deprive me from beholding your beauty. Oh my Lord, accept this plea.